Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 7 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn the letters of Madda in an Arabic accent. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what are the letters of Madda in an Arabic accent. How many letters of Madda are there in an Arabic accent, and how do we pronounce the letters of Madda in an Arabic accent? How many letters of Madda are there in an Arabic accent? There are 3 letters of Madda, and they are Alif Madda, Waw Madda, and Ya Madda. These are the 3 letters of Madda in an Arabic accent. What is Alif Madda? When there is a Zabar before an Alif, it becomes Alif Madda. For example, Ba, Alif Zabar Ba. What is Waw Madda? When there is a pesh before a Waw Sakin, it becomes Waw Madda. For example, Ba, Waw, pesh, Bu. Here the letter Waw is Sakin because it has Jazm or Sukun sign on it. What is Ya Madda? When there is a Zabar, there is a Zair before a Ya Sakin, it becomes Ya Madda. For example, Ba, Ya, Zair, Bi. Here the letter Ya is Sakin because it has Jazm sign or Sukun sign on it. How do we pronounce the letters of Madda in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the letters of Madda in an Arabic accent by stretching them up to 1 alif, that is up to 2 harakat. Let's see the example of Alif Madda, Waw Madda, and Ya Madda. This is the example of Madda letters. Here there is the example of Alif Madda because there is Zabar before Alif, it becomes Alif Madda. Here there is pesh before Waw Sakin, this is Waw Madda. This is the example of Ya Madda. There is Zair before Ya Sakin, this is Ya Madda. Here letters Waw and Ya are Sakin because they have Jazm sign on it. How do we pronounce the letters of Madda in an Arabic accent? Let's spell. Ha, Alif Zabar Ha, Ha, Waw, Pesh, Hu, Ha, Ya, Zir, Hi, Ha, Hu, Hi, Ha, Hu, Hi. We pronounce the letters of Madda in an Arabic accent by stretching them up to 1 alif, that is up to 2 harakat. This is the example of the letters of Madda. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn the more example of the letters of Madda Thanks for watching. Kindly share my video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.